I promise you that if you attend Rider University over the next 4 years, or whenever you do come for the sophomores and juniors, I can guarantee that you will see a transformation not only in the university, but more importantly in yourself as an individual and as a member of our community. And that your connection to the Rider family will be a lifetime connection, because we are very proud to have you become a Bronc for life.
So my mom said, let's check out Rider University. And I sat right in these chairs too, not knowing what to expect. And by the time I left campus, I knew Rider was my choice, because not only the connection that I made with just the people here, but just as the president said, having that Bronc for a Day experience, because that Bronc for a Day experience not only convinced me that Rider was the school for me, but I made 3 of my best friends that I still keep in contact today at that experience. I knew at a very early age that I wanted to get into TV and radio. Now, most people in here don't know what they want to do, and that's okay. You could have up until senior year or even go for your master's and still try to figure out. But knowing being at Rider University is the way to go, because I went to the other schools. I saw what it was all about, the glitz, the glam, but at the end of the day, I wasn't Garrett Vogel. I was number 4, 6, 7, you know? And that's what was a very determining factor in me. So how did I get at a radio station? Very simple, internships. I started talking to my professors, and they're like, well, you know, maybe you should wait. I was like, let me jump in as soon as possible. I've been working literally since freshman year of college. I've lived on campus. I would wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning while most students were going to bed. I was going to work. And I've loved it ever since. And it's all because of my time here. I had a lot of fun here, but I also learned a lot. I've made a lot of connections, and I've made a lot of friends. And this place has really changed my life, and I know it can change yours.